Warning: this channel is about UK pest species being humanely shot. Please don't watch if it will offend. This is an important part of pest control around farms. So back out on rats again. There's not that many now to be choosing from. This was a few weeks ago, this one.
Yeah.
This is a large acreage that they adopt chickens and pigs, you know, from battery farms and that, turkeys. They've got a fair few rats to go at. Been since this one, and there's just nothing to shoot. It must be that time of year that they're all going back out and not coming in. The amount of missed opportunity I have for not loading is unbelievable. But we get it. I'm out of Derbyshire. With Maverick 2.5 in FAC, got it wound down to about 22 foot-pound. This one I pulled. But I missed it. It's nice hearing thud when you're hitting them with pellets. Job done.